Hey everyone.
Welcome back to Fun Flow channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable content. What if I told you that the richest people often don't look rich? That true wealth isn't about flashy cars or designer brands, but about financial freedom, security, and influence. Many of the wealthiest individuals keep their success low-key, avoiding unnecessary attention and the traps of consumerism. Instead of chasing status symbols, they build lasting financial independence. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful stealth wealth hacks that the ultra-rich use to stay under the radar while building real wealth. Each one of these hacks is designed to help you grow your financial power while maintaining privacy and security.
Let's dive in.
Hack 1. Dress smart, not flashy. Forget the designer logos. Real wealth whispers, it doesn't shout. High-quality clothing without logos or brand names helps you blend in while still looking sharp. It's not about denying yourself luxury, it's about making smart choices that don't signal wealth to the wrong people. Think about successful entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, or Warren Buffett. Simplicity is key. They focus on quality, fit, and comfort rather than status symbols. When you dress well but without ostentation, you project confidence without inviting unnecessary scrutiny. This is one of the simplest ways to practice stealth wealth and avoid attracting the wrong kind of attention. Hack 2. Drive under the radar. Luxury cars scream, "I have money," but a stealth wealth individual knows that blending in is smarter. Instead of a flashy Lamborghini, they drive a well-maintained Toyota, Honda, or Tesla. Solid, efficient, and reliable. A car is a depreciating asset, and spending too much on one can be a financial mistake. Many wealthy individuals choose vehicles that are practical, low maintenance, and discreet. By avoiding extravagant purchases, they redirect money into investments that grow over time. This approach not only keeps them financially secure, but also prevents unwanted attention from people who might have ulterior motives. Stealth wealth is about prioritizing long-term gains over short-term validation. Hack 3. Be frugal in public, rich in private. Appear normal in public, don't flaunt wealth. The stealthy rich use discounts, avoid unnecessary spending, and focus on experiences rather than luxury goods. They don't need validation from strangers. This doesn't mean living miserably or denying yourself comforts. It's about making wise spending decisions and avoiding consumer traps that drain wealth. Smart individuals understand that true wealth is about financial independence, not proving their status to others. They save money on everyday expenses, allowing them to invest more in long-term wealth-building strategies. This balance between frugality and financial growth is what sets the stealthy rich apart from those who just want to look wealthy. Hack 4. Invest in income-producing assets instead of wasting money on depreciating assets like expensive watches and cars. Invest in assets that generate passive income. Stocks, real estate, and businesses create true financial freedom. This is the secret of the truly wealthy. They focus on building assets that work for them. The key to stealth wealth is making your money grow without drawing attention. Rather than seeking quick gains, they build diversified portfolios and reinvest profits. This ensures that their wealth continues to expand without requiring constant effort. By prioritizing assets over liabilities, they create a stable foundation for financial independence and long-term security. Hack 5. Avoid social media flexing. Posting luxury vacations, expensive dinners, or designer outfits. That's a red flag. The truly wealthy know that discretion is power. Keep your wins private and let your lifestyle speak for itself. Broadcasting wealth can attract unwanted attention from scammers, envious individuals, and even potential threats. The most successful people understand that real power lies in anonymity. By maintaining a low profile, they protect themselves from unnecessary financial and social risks. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy your success, it just means you don't need to prove anything to anyone. Keep your wealth under the radar, and you'll avoid unnecessary problems. Hack 6. Live below your means. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. The wealthy stay rich by avoiding lifestyle inflation, meaning, they don't increase spending just because they earn more. They build wealth by living below their means and investing the surplus. Many millionaires choose homes that are functional rather than excessive, ensuring they aren't burdened by high maintenance costs or unnecessary expenses. This philosophy keeps them financially independent and allows them to focus on what truly matters. The smartest investors understand that wealth is built over time, not through reckless spending. By keeping their expenses in check, they create a strong financial foundation. Stealth wealth isn't about hiding, it's about financial security without unnecessary attention. By mastering these 10 hacks, you can build true wealth while keeping your freedom and privacy. These strategies help you stay in control of your financial destiny without falling into the trap of status seeking. The goal is to have options, freedom, and peace of mind. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful money tips. Your financial future is in your hands. Choose to grow your wealth wisely while staying under the radar. See you in the next video.